Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos. On my right hand is the newest products we're going to introduce. Let me take the overall dimensions for you first. For these units lengths, they are about like 48 inches and 1 4. And the depth of the unit is about like 22.5 inches. And the overall height, they are about like 26.5 inches tall. So as we can see the units, they are countertop display bakery case, or you can put the cooler like a drinks, anything you want put in for cool. And they using the glass double layer all around the units. And also the base, they're using the stainless steel materials. And when we turn around on the side, we can see they do have a ETL sanitation sticker on the side, and also the cost sheets informations and diagram informations too. And when we look in the behind of the units, we can see they do having a small box area for the controllers and the power switches. They do have a covers on it and the digital displays right here. And also we have a sliding doors at the behind of the units. On top of the units, they do having LED light strips. So let me give you the overall sizes for the shelving for the inner side. The shelving is about like 13 inches deep. And the bottom one will be 14 inches deep too. For the length of the shelvings, they are about like 45.5 inches wide. And the shelving, they are adjustable the heights. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.